Hey guys, and welcome to a new vlog. So this will be the renovation part 2, and we will actually finish this whole room in this vlog, transform the bedroom into a more luxury version of it, get some new decor, get some new pillows for the bed, and also redecorate the closet as you saw from the last vlog. If you haven't seen it, I will leave it up here. So in the last vlog, I did some wallpaper inside the closet. It turned out great. We got some new trims and made it look more like a custom built closet or more like a built-in closet instead of just some wardrobe frames standing on the floor with like this much left up to the ceiling. So now everything is built in, everything looks so great, and I'm so satisfied. I just need to get one more trim. So in this video we're gonna finish the closet as well, decorate all the shelves that is now filled with tools. I will show you a quick tour. So my dad is coming a little bit later to help me cut all the trims and help me with some of the trims on the wall, so I know how to do it myself. But let's take a spin around the room. So here you can see how it looks right now. As you can see, I still have the tape on the wall here, so I need to peel that off. So the wall trim is going right there where it's a little bit darker. That is the color that was originally on this wall, so I decided to divide it into two parts. Here is the new headboard that we got. I absolutely love it. It is so soft, so beautiful, and I love that it is tufted, but don't mind the pillows right now. I need to go and get some new pillows because purple doesn't go with the room anymore. Here you have an overview of the room. There's like furnitures everywhere. It's a mess in here because we needed to pull everything out for me to be able to paint. But as you can see, the closet looks so much better now. So it looks built in, and these trims down here as well look so gorgeous because it actually like hides a lot in this closet, which I really love, and the wallpaper as well I love. So I also wanted to show you the trims that we got. So I actually bought this from a store in Sweden, so they were actually driven all the way over here to Norway. But I just love these trims. Like, look how gorgeous these are. So these are going here on the wall to divide those two colors, and these look so gorgeous. I absolutely love those. So we have a lot of these smaller trims that is going to be like the frames on the wall or like wainscoting. Then I also picked up a lot of ornaments. So we have like corners for the frames, and I just love it. I think this will turn out so great. I also picked up some ornaments. I'm not sure if I will add these to some furniture in this room or if I'm gonna add it to the wall. We will see a little bit later. And then I also got 3 of these ones. I will have one over the entrance into the walk-in closet, and I will have one in the middle over the frame that is going right over the bed. And that was pretty much everything that we picked up. So now we just have to wait for my dad to be here so he can help me cut everything. And this is pretty much the glue that we're gonna use, which is called Adifix. And you're just supposed to put this on the trims and then place them to the wall. So it sounds pretty easy. I hope I can do it by myself. So I will talk to you guys a little bit later.
Where you move make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh. 'Cause you will always be there. Oh, oh. 'Cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the. Yeah, I know you will always be the. Yeah, I know you will always be. Come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the. You're the one that I need. Yeah, you make me feel like there's no air left to breathe. Yeah, you make me feel like I can run on water. I'm picking up the speed. Oh, oh. 'Cause you will always be there. Oh, oh. 'Cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one
this is how everything has turned out so far. I got to finish this wall right here, and then we will continue tomorrow, but I think it turned out so great. And up here where you see the bows, I'm gonna have like an ornament, and the same goes for the other side right there. And on top of the kind of headboard display right here, I will have another ornament. So hopefully that will turn out great. So then I also finished this one, and there is where the nightstand's gonna be, and the same goes for the other side over there.
I'll be enough for you, baby. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough for you. 'Cause you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel like, I said you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel. I know you will always be the one. Oh, you will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the. Oh, yeah, I know you will always be the. Oh, yeah, I know you will always be. Come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the. We've been fighting forever, gone over this 1,000 times before. Baby, it's now or never. Gotta leave this town, and I know what you're asking for.
So here's a little update on how it is looking right now. I finished all the frames on the walls. So I actually didn't have enough, so this is missing. Then we also have this little corner right there, and also on this wall where the mirror is supposed to go. So I need to order some more trims. So I started to paint these frames over here. So I still need to take 2 layers on this one layer on this one, and then to paint all the trims above where the grayish beige color is. So I still need to do that, and then I also need to paint the details above here. But I'm so happy I decided to go for these details. I think it looks so good on this wall right over the bed. And I'm sorry I didn't vlog every single piece in this process, because it actually took me a very long time. It took me 4 days to get all of these up, because when you have a baby, you know that you just can't take the whole day up. But I'm sure if you are 2 people and you're working really hard, you can get this done in 1 or 2 days. So tomorrow or on Sunday I will paint all of these. But this one I have actually finished, and I think it looks so good with 3 layers of paint. So I still need to do that on all the other walls. So that is pretty much it. And I thought we could start to decorate the nightstands and kind of move things around in here, because I really want to get access to my closet. So there's no way I can reach the drawers in my closet. So I really want to get everything set up. So that is pretty much what I will do right now. I will clean the floors and start to decorate a little bit in here, see what's missing, and also change out the pillows and the bedding. But I think I will save that for tomorrow. But let's just start to work and see how far we'll go today. So today it is Wednesday and I am about to start to clean the closet. We have done a lot of work outside. Therefore this vlog has been postponed because I had to be outside and there was a lot of digging, a lot of noise, so I couldn't be inside and to paint because it was too hot outside. It is like around 28 degrees outside. I thought I would start to clean out the closet, organize it, just get things done because this bedroom annoys me really much right now because it has been 2 weeks. We're leaving on vacation next week, so pretty much everything needs to be done. The bedroom needs to be done, the closet needs to be organized because I hate coming home to a mess. So therefore I will try to do as much as I can today in the closet, get everything off the floor, and hopefully we can paint the bedroom tomorrow when the guys are working outside. So I will see how this will go, but let's start in the closet.
Interstate might take me nowhere. Anywhere is better than the places I have been. Sunsets in my rearview mirror, a projection of my old life faded. Lost outside of nowhere, a stormy rain tried to wash away the dream. Staff one, it says a worn out sign, and the diner's name is California Dreams.
So I just finished painting and I absolutely love how it all turned out. I also did decorate a little bit in the bed, in the closet. Everything looks smooth. The only thing left is to take out this one. I'm not sure where we will have it because it's full with clothes and we actually need more space. So here you can see the final result and I absolutely love this so much. So I will get some Victorian vintage rustic very elegant looking mirrors to go in each frame over the side tables. So we will also go ahead and have a picture in this big frame right here in a very elegant glass frame, and I actually found a picture I think I will have. I still need to debate if it really fits in. So this setup is just a temporary setup for now. So I will either go ahead and get a round mirror in this frame or like a very large Victorian styled mirror, and I think that will look so good in that spot. I still need to order some more trims for some frames down here and also for this wall right here. So we will have a smaller frame right there and a smaller frame at the back. And this dresser is also just temporary. And also in the closet as well, I finished decorating all the shelves up here. And this is kind of my luxury designer space in the closet, but I also have some more purses over here. And I actually really loved these ones that I bought at IKEA to cover up the holes. As you can see up there, you can see very clearly the holes, but once you have the white in, it's barely visible. So I really enjoy that, and I just love how the closet turned out with the wallpaper and the trims. I will go ahead and get one more of that trim to fit over here with all my shoes. So that part also gets a little bit wider, which will make me a lot more satisfied. But I really enjoy my closet right now. So that is pretty much everything. I also changed out what was in this drawer, so now I have one drawer all for my sunglasses. I also have a lot more in my beauty room and also out in the hallway, but I also added some sunglasses here and I changed out a little bit in this drawer, and that is pretty much everything that I wanted to share with you guys. And down here I just have a bunch of stuff and new clothing that I need to film, and it actually took me a bit longer than I had thought because there has been a lot going on. We have started to rip out the entire patio and the front garden at our house as well. So that will be in another vlog. We will make a new driveway. We will get a new patio. We will make it very cozy, add some more flower beds. So I didn't like it at all once we got this house. So that has been on the list for a very long time. And since it has been so hot outside, I have been outside working in the garden, ripping things, fixing things, so therefore it actually took me a lot longer. But I guess if you are like two people, you work very hard, and once you get a hang of the cutting of the trims, building the frames and stuff, I think you can do it on a weekend. And what I really loved is that we saved a lot of money by doing it ourselves, so I'm very happy. So next week's vlog will be all about outside. I hope we can finish it before we're going on vacation on Thursday. We will pack for vacation and I will take you guys with me on vacation as well, so hopefully that will be interesting to watch as well. If you enjoyed this vlog, be sure to give it a thumbs up as always. If you're new, I really hope you decide to stick around by hitting the subscribe button, ring the bell, leave a comment down below, #notification squad. Let me know that you are part of the fam. And without further ado, I love you guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.